Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Chinsa isa tochi abutokire chia bono botuko mwancho murigaria mbiyama na soko kandra gusangana into na kubwatia emiroberio kurwaiga hasegeta seni kyago na mbeyamo y'Ensoko TV botuko no bwikomi na rimo mutenyino ikomi umwaka no wechiri bubere meronge bere na isana ene mesa yama yakuru Ensoko chinsa isa tonche nkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi asiri bagari abari bakombwate sia kuru studio ya kabere kwene kyamero gine chibichango cha senchire rengia karansoike obene ntukurbono go ikomwerio tokomanya senchira yoboikirano. Karibu sana mwancho murigaria wana maya kuru Ensoko chinsa isa tutugo chakana roboti rokubwatia hase umubere bumusacha oyomo bw'imyaka yegatwa nigotoka hemambe ya rero gotugutire roche associated bw'imase chinchera chobo tutukano ase kenyoro kyabituka ekigotoka sense moya Kanyimbo he ward ya Nyatieko he bunge ya Kitutu chache South County ya Kisii emambe ya rero korengana na kirori nigobono umubere oyo hotamanyekana hase baichanire hokomendekana kwebikore buna ebyo ase chinsemecho nigobono baruro kubori gocha ase serikali na gwesona nigatigo korobotuki heriko manyo musacho yoningo abiga abane gateka koriki mbarabia ba Betuel Machini agotomanya senchira yobikirana
Umenyi bensemo ya bituka bie gutoka ime wodi ya Nyatieko ensemo ya Kanyimbo ebunge ya Kitutu chache South County ya Kisii nigema mbere tukurira bokano mwichano maiga yokonyoro mbere bumusacho yo mabwe myaka yigatwa kukwete karasa machi masenseme yo kurengana na kirori bege korekiga nigo baichanire gekorekyo aseno nyanabo baichanire bikore ibyo comment kana matukabwangwiga
awe bona nchigo naru kanisa mambingo ikamwana yo muswati getogotira onde biukire tabu no mondo tokire rocha ngakimwa manyora ngaya na abana bali gotenya baminyokire bakwanire na igure tango gendorore amaene na ikire rocha na nyorire omonto na bokoranga araire angene nchira ganchira nkaro bona oranga kiara ire gotenyegeri bone tukumeti tutanya karoreke nkieke kiegendererete gatia bono etosinyiro sogwenge monto na bokorro kero kenda abo goiria kabekuo ikiagara mache na maketa konyara gutirimbuki na nchirara ire buno rairo ko bakokua bono mutuore gochienga koime nto konyara kumumanya goikira iga bono iga nturamumanya na atema gwetana gwake sirimbi distance y'abantu bakire batari bakembaraikira kumumanya bakabona hiyo
bakwanekerekyo nigo bono egati yabari banyako babakwerera iguru yegekorekiga banyako bakubulia bare bikonekinga gutumika bare make egentu kikagire nigo yonya gusira are ngomorebi andaka kairwa na machi
ake abantu baminto timosarire pia epierieta epieye igatoko nyanywa gwetere birengereri na pia takorchi goroche lakini omongwano yaro kuwa yakwete aikosi akanywa amange osaka tukuturoje ndokoma lakini Nyasaye nabatiri biria diaye itukuria neneria nerian itukuria neria neriao bumbate pia ya muno okonyarekana
egento kende ngogwotia kemogioka kala kwanyura maru tema gwete para yo katia kunya gotamba kachitara chire manchiri buya na wonyore oyo no sabanyo no morebi na utura mubekeretie itire tonyote itiri onyache totamboka ari gari kurumuriria kakarocha gakwa amacha akamoira akamusikia kego lakini njenga tongo sababu tokonywa maru oyore nigirudi nginje tonyuma kego nabona te aba konywa maru lakini tonyuma kego twabeke gechiketega amor tokoina ya fulisa maru tarikaro sikubuya tonywa maru makaba sacha
asina boigo baborie ebyombe bigokorobotuki na boigo borendi gotingingwa sensemeyo
bana rire tokonya kugoka mambi toigo montarutire roche chisese chirutire roche tosinyire bona serikali ngiye kubali tokoigwa parese ningwa kwere maiga batambe ono je side yensa kaye serikali yarengere ndi bagateba ngo akabare parison bana rire rogoro mondra tokorogora rinde botukonera wakabere mutinyu mugima wakakaroro kerangi ntumete serikali mutaga tokonya Kanyimbo ntubwati security saine security babate ko jirogora oka Kanyimbo seto mbali waka petrol Una rocha ba ka rocha ba ira na bana nyandi ba ikete rocha ba tambo ko chingumbo tangamba nyoto no.
Agigento turasabe neri oborendi botinge abantu babere bagwitwa abange sana bakurutu chindoje. Serikali yeito ye county babeke usalama etierete tonyare tokonyoro obwene bwa omonto oyo tokanyiroche na tomayaningo.
Kuripoteria Ensoko TV kuraige kinyarugia Kanyimbo county ya Kisii chengoro kwa Pethuel Machin.
Toskabusyo mwancho murigeria kunenchiremo yokwirania hokoboko gochiase egesaku nigobono omotendri wekiombe ya Civility Voice Diplomats Dominic Obadia ritkoria rero anyare koba kako arigania bagani kurwase kiombe ya Top Talent Agency me county ya Kisii asomorobedo manyekanete buna Kenya keynote tour abo haseba koretaro yabo gochiase county ya Kisii na kwena na obosemia kubasira aboroki waso kubakanda chi school fees kwena nebitamba byo bachanu gochiase chi school chi abana abanyaruka negati ya bintu binde ebinge abagani abo nigobono bagendrete gukora etaro yabo ase okwenekia buna chi school ngochichire kwegendereria konyora hobasemi kurwase bare buna gotumanyo murigito Caroline Maosa.
Dominic Obadia uyoro moteneri bwe kiombe kya Civility Voice Diplomats ekikerene kirengagyo kwene kebuna bali batabwati neryo girio kuigwekana nko babale bagokonywa kuigwekana ebirero byabo na nene muno kwenyorera obokonyi bono litko lya lero nigo Obadia aletira bageni kurwase enseri ya USA abo bakorwa kurwase kiombe kemanyikanete buna Top Talent Agency asomorobelyobo o Kenya keynote tour eya baikera barabugo ikerana se ensemo ya Gusii abwase baba bagotara imechi sukuru na kubasira aborokigwa anene mono asokwena na obosemi kubakanira school negative bintu binde binge na anene mono korweire yo kubarigeria amabaga yegasigo cha saborokigwa bali banyare ko baba gukora amasomo ye university.
With Top Talent Agency and Kenya Keynote Tour, they are doers. They believe dreaming is good, but doing is better. Service to humanity is service to God, and that is exactly what Kenya Keynote Tour and Top Talent Agency are doing, and they believe in leadership, transformational leadership. Over the last 1 week, they've been going around schools in this country. We have reached over 20,000 students speaking about leadership and raising young leaders. It's usually lonely at the top if you don't raise another leader with you. So right now, we believe in the young people. We know they're the solution for this generation and generations to come. We continue to work in partner with like-minded organizations that are doers, but not sayers.
The students welcomed us very warmly, as well as the faculty, and it was really a pleasure to be able to take some of my experience and instill it in your youth, because they are your future, and we want them to know that they can achieve, that they can advance, and we are here to provide them with knowledge, encouragement, and inspiration for them to grow and achieve and to be like us.
Nigo basege tire chisemigo chase abana abanyaruka babe bagosemiwa nabo igo kubakonya kwenyorera emirema sama tukabo alemotwe eliti bako baba gutwara emechando emenge.
Goal and my mission is to empower voices from the inside out, particularly with women and children, because when you empower a voice to take one step and speak up with their action, with what they need, they can reach their dream, and we've seen that happen. I also am sponsoring and part of a group called couldYou.org, where we are bringing menstrual cups to your land that cost $10 each for 10 years, compared to the thousands you might spend on pads, and we are giving these away. We are donating them, and we are making Kenya aware. Kenya already is aware that if we keep a girl in school, that will transfer to $30 to $50 trillion in your economy and empower the women for their children as well. So when you empower a woman from the inside out, she's unstoppable.
Here to offer hope and inspiration to the youth of Kenya, but I received so much more hope and inspiration from them. They are so clever and so bright, and it is so exciting because we are providing opportunities for youth in Kenya to become globally empowered with employment. And finding the amazing talent that we have found here in Kenya has been just mind-blowing.
abagani abo baigo nigo borokigwe okogokigwa kwabo abo ase batebire buna nigo babeire bakwareganiwa ase encherere engiya mono na baigo batebire buna nige chisukuru echi babeire bagochitarera chiabeire chikobagania biana wakombiya mono gochasa omoteneri bw'ekiombe gia Civility Voice Diplomats asokoreta omoroberi oyo imeye county ya Kisii.
Every school that we visited, we've received a very warm welcome. Oftentimes, our people have been stunned into silence for a few moments just to really appreciate how much love these students have for us, that these staff and faculty have been very wanting us to come back to not only support the students, but also see the progress and the very specific students that some of the people here that were so touched by them that are now sponsoring them one-on-one to see their progress in their education because we understand that the future of Kenya is here and the minds are sharp and they're hungry, and so we want to continue on so that way they can continue to have a wonderful future.
Ginko reporter ya Amaya Imeye Soko TV Korwase County ya Kisii Edietaria Nemausa Caroline.
Tuguskabusio mwancho mu rigereria nigo togo kwandira orobotiro kubwatia sekirisia ya Katolika sorogongorwa Gusii imeda osisi ya Kisii batwara umuyega bukobekirwa hamagoko kwa ba seminari batatu abo baenekigwa koba haba deacon ritikoria rase ekirisia Kenya Bururu ime yensemo obose asemise yo yaragwa no mwaskofu Joseph Mairura bunago tumanyo murikito Dominic Onderi.
Emisa yoko wabekera ama wakaba seminari batatu eriko baba diko nigo yara uno mwaskowe diocese ya Gusii Joseph Mairura Kemwa yareta abageni kuruwe county ya Kisii na Nyamira asekirisi Kenya Bururu. Abaseminari Benard Asugo, Linus Ombuya na Kennedy Benedicto nigo bono benekigwa ko baba diko n'abayebekerise gya Katoliki ase borokya omugokobo omonene.
Bakristo bamintu yabona ari tukeri ya twanyore abadiko batatu akimubose yabona zijya sai
gwakera bishop itubuya asoga twali sacrament liga liyo dikonia ligo twali ganucha sobo sacerdote nabayo tugwakera Nyasaye biya mono asa turusire na asa tuikirigeiga
iraneri abantu bonsi mbiya mono mono abayiboli baitu na chikanisa chiri chonsi chiatokonyira siparish chitwakolire pastoral batusirire batokonyire batusabeire nabayigo babeire bagutaramo 90 mbaka litukeri lya lero
na kuoka tebanga nigo liregeni astore mbona twachakira obogima tuganetia amasabo korwase abakristo bonsi monoke makorwase abasasiroti nase omoiskobi elinde tonyara ko batokogendera bakore emirimo ya Nyasaye asenchera erendonge ikiagera gwetera amasabo na lituranya ko batokokora onsi
gokwana no musasiroti Geoffrey Onsare uyotenete okorangeriwa imeda ya Kisii niga tusomia ayaiga
obodiko ni ase kerisia ito Catholic ne getambukiro gyokobo musasiroti kiagera mbali ochikobera obodiko ni ase ebiro ebitambe nigo bagwetera baeta baba abasasiroti obodikon kera kwa omodikon ne kiwango geinse ase obosasiroti tobwate biwango bitatu ikerekana ne kigoro mono no biskobi yakabiro obosasiroti nabo igo obodikon ikere geinse mirimo yabo no kubatisa abana okurandia lingana osome banchire ogotarira abarwaire na kubairira komunyo na ebintu mbiro batari gukora barabuna abadikon modikon tari gutegerera pendesi yo mu Kristo ekiagara taraba musasiroti nabo igo igakobeka story ya ebugeka tari ko bagotirimbuka kiara tarakora orogendo nabo igo tari gusesenia abantu weta inse ya babere ani gatete gusenia atakera senia abantu babere gotira tari oyo mobweka a group of people that is from two kogendera amone binde binge bantanyara kwera sabone gankore
abasaye boigo nigo bakire buya so mwaskof Mairura asoko banyura asebono babwate ayiga sabasaye bamwabo
kente getang'ani ngoiranĩri Bishop Mairũ Roito ng'ambi ya mono ase omong'usa gwate gochasa abana yute ekero okorigereria rituko riarera abanto babondeinde iga na abasae naroraga igo nande togosaba ng'a ase Bishop monguru anyare kobaga komoigorera chinjira chinyinge anyare korangeria abasae abange gocha ase ekerisia
mbia mono ase eng'encho twanyorire twamentere ekerisia korwa gwetera ase okonyora obodikon bwa rituko riarero
aba ai vijana nyare kosoe kanisa ime banyare kosoe kanisa nengia
Wakristo bonsi bekanisa Katoliki ni banyako bagwa kabyeso mwasko bekanisa Katoliki edasi Kisii mwasko Joseph Mairũ Kemwa asobokari nyarko bakomenta monase ritukeli ara nyako bakomenta badikon banyako bakomenta obokari saba Kristo bae kuripoti senki na mbemo Gian Soko TV kuruge gase Kenya Buru kigotoka gase bunge ya Kisutu Chache South county ya Kisii Eritrea Dominic Onderi Nyabuto
Toskabusio mwancho morigeria basae niko bono bairwe obosemi igoro yechinchira chingia cyoko egenderia kibogima nabego kwerenda kurwase okonyora hamaroire basemi obo niko bono bwaro igone kiombe ya daraja 2 Vision Volunteers bakubwaterana n'eskuru ya Ajiri imegeti yechigosori kyagusi unenchira yamo yogo chengera ritkorio mwana omoisike buna gotumanya muri kito Cliff Forenge
Abasa gwetania chimebere kurwase county ya Kisii niko bairwo basemia igoro echinjira chingia cyo komenya na gwetanga kurwasa maroire ao na maritagi yankyo menya ekero bagandete gosoma na gwesemia obasemia obwo bwarwe gwane kiombe gya daraja 2 Vision Volunteers abwo asaba bwatera ntene skuru ya Ajiri Kisii na serikali ya county ya Kisii asegetikia gosi stadium bunenchira yamo yokolicengera litukuli ya baisike imeyensengima.
I work for Daraja 2 Visions Volunteer under Kisii Youth Wellness Center. Today is the day we decided to celebrate the International Girls' Day. It's a special day for the girl child. Today we are here in collaboration with Ajiri. We are working together to ensure the girl child is empowered in terms of education. We teach them on self-care, empowerment, economic empowerment, and as well as giving them services. We have extended our medical services. We do HIV testing and counseling.
We need to raise safe so that we don't have unwanted pregnancies, because at the end of the day we'll be having more burden in taking care of these children, yet the children and the youth don't have a source of income.
Bako kwa na Soko TV maega yokuro basemia gochia asaba sayabwe miaka 13 gukemera ngebere nene nigo ababwatani bekiombe kia daraja 2 Vision Volunteers baene kirebuna nigo egangene nere royo kubasemia basaye igoro echinjira cyoko menya nabo ego kwegendereria
is that you really need to know about your sexual reproductive health rights, and as well as there is HIV is there and it's real, and for sure you really need to abstain. And if you cannot abstain, you have safe.
I've learned a lot today. I've learned matters to do with SRH. SRH is not about religion, it's about children's future and the dignity itself. And I've learned that empowering the girl child is good.
Buna enchira yemo yo kubasemia bana baiseke igoro yo bwene bwabo nabego kuruwa basemia mamincha yo gwito kwa bana baiseke na basubati gose femicide ni gaba bwatani balia bakwegerera obwene bwa mwanya bantu kuruwa ase county ya Kisii banyaka bakorwe kurate kuchia sabalia bawo kore bikoro byo koita bana baiseke buna nigo barati kweruruge tambo kero keli chiko nego gosabwa kuruwa chiroboti ase bitaseni bya banyanyimbo.
The cases that we've seen would have sadly would have been prevented if the survivors had reported earlier enough when they saw the signs. And our mission is to make sure everyone knows their rights. Everyone feels that when they report, they'll get help.
Even we have paralegals here who are talking about rights, and for sure this is a great day, and we believe at the end of the day, the girl child is going to benefit.
Ekiombe kyo gya daraja 2 Vision Volunteers niko gya kangambu yamono gochia saba watani au be negative na obasemi abongoro goboro gochia saba saya abo beke golie kyo.
Nataka kusema asante sana kwa serikali ya Kisii County kwa kupea nafasi kutumia uwanja kufanikisha shughuli. Pia tunasema asante kwa Ajiri Kisii Center na strong partner kusaidia sana pia kufanikisha shughuli hii.
Bono niko yatigera saba saya ube ko basemi obwo kobeka obasemi obubosyo nabego gwetanga kurwa ase kitabichimbe anana ke kirikiragara banyora marwire na maritagi yankyo ingo reporter ya Soko TV kurwa gasebo gatakati mu cyobosongo county ya Kisii Eritrea Wycliffe Orenge.
Tuskabusio mwanjo muriga ryo bamwe kwamiria serikali bwamochire serikali ya Kenya kwanza hasobo kongu bwa Kenya bagwetera kwegenderia se hamagimabo bakoragwa na Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, Martha Karua, Justin Muturi na Boigo Rigathi Gachagua niko bono barire ira yogo cha kubwaterana asobo chorio bonne buri bosio bo mwaka bwechiri bubere 2022 erikone kya Ruto kwa bare umuraibu ense bwentunde ntangani Linet Nyambanago tomanyia senchiro bwikarana.
Abarai bobomo bukwamiria serikali ritkoria rero nigo baira enchiri yo kumugikerio murai bwense William Ruto ase county ya Kirinyaga gukwana kurwa ensemo ya makutano boigo kiritiri nigo bamochiri murai bwense asoko genderera kungaina abarai erio kubagana abakenya.
Mliona jana huyu Ruto ameita Gideon Moi wa jamii yake ya Wakalenjin, anasema Wakalenjin waungane. Mimi nikiita nyinyi anasema sisi ni wakabila. Si ndio? Wakalenjin wakishikana ni umoja wa kimataifa. Watu ya Mlima tukishikana anasema ni ukabila. Anafikiria sisi ni wajinga. Na mimi niseme mtu yeyote anatumiwa na Ruto kugawanya Mlima ni adui ya Mlima Kenya. Negwadwa ito. Na watu wanatumiwa na Ruto. Wewe gavana wa Igoro, wewe Karinda, kwani nyinyi hamuna akili?
Nigo bono baenekeirie abakenya buna barabo buna ensemerie kwamiria serikali nigo baguche kubwaterana na kumusira ori barachigwanchera erio kwirurukia ebendera yobo mubwo goika baeneki buna Ruto ngogendarenka.
Tumeshikana viongozi wa shupavu wa Kenya na tumekubaliana jana tutatoa kiongozi mmoja wa kupigana na Kasongo. Si ndio? Si ndio? Tukiamua tuseme ni Eugene Wamalwa mtampigia kura. Tukiamua ni Martha Wangare Karua mtampigia kura. Tukisema ni JB Muturi mtampigia kura. Tukisema ni huyu Kalonzo Musyoka mtampigia kura. Na sasa
abaraya buboigo nigo batebire buna umurai bwense tabwati kerengereri kende yonsi gyo komokorera omwana inchi egasi korende ni gabegete eganga ya yebosyo.
Wanasema Zakayo ende. Pili, tukomboe nchi yetu kutoka kwa kasongo na ufisadi na wizi. Anaendelea kupora taifa letu. Yeye alipoingia kule State House, azima yake ilikuwa eti ya kuwe tajiri kuliko familia ya Moi na familia ya Kenyatta.
Ukimsikiza mtu anaitwa Kipchirchir Ruto, mmemsikia akiongea? Ati anasema hii nchi inaweza kuwa kama Singapore. Ni kweli hii nchi akiwaachia nyinyi mfanye mjitawale inaweza. Lakini hii nchi haiwezi kuwa kama Singapore. Kama kila siku asubuhi akiamka ni nini nitaiba leo? Ni sehemu ya ardhi gani nitaenda kuiba? Ni wizara gani iko na pesa wanataka kununua? Sasa nasikia ati ametuma watu waende kumnunulia ndege mbili. Ndege za kumbeba yeye.
Bono nigo baruro kuburia guchiasa abakenya kubwata chikura asobonge erio kwene kibunango chibare komurusia Ruto ase kerogekyo ase obochori obonene bore mutwe.
Wazalendo ndio mtakomboa nchi hii. Mtaikomboa nchi hii kutoka kwa uongozi mbaya wa William Ruto. Nyinyi mko tayari? Sababu hii haitakuwa siasa ya kawaida. Hii ni kura ya kujiokoa na kujikomboa na kukomboa nchi. Tangu Kenya ijinyakulie uhuru, hakujaonekana uongozi wa kimambavu kama huu wa Bwana Ruto. Watoto wanauawa, anasema wapigwe risasi Maguru. Alisema hivyo. Na sisi nasema mko tayari kumpiga risasi? Wangapi wa tayari kupiga Ruto risasi? Hiyo risasi haitakuwa ya Maguru kama yeye. Yeye tunampiga risasi kwa ballot ili awe one term.
Tuko pamoja vile mmetuona, tuko tayari kuwafanyia kazi, musilegeze. Hata mkiletewa pesa kiasi gani, ukitaka kula ni yenu, lakini kura yako, chunga maisha yako na nini na kura yako. Tumekubaliana.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Uskabose mwanchomo rigare mokonyi bumara iwensi ya Kenya Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigaruro kubole gochia saba saikuru sorongoro Africa koeneke bunanko beka bare hemiroberio yokubwaterana nabasai bande kurwa sechinse mochinde iri kubwaterera obotumeki we mitandao yekerero hase okoenekia oburai obuya nabigo koenekia nsemo ya uchumi nkogenderera senchirengi yani gare ngiko ya kwana iga somo iga wariganirwa hoyore ntamo hababwatani we sector yabasai kurwa sorongoro Africa nabigo chinse chirichia Arab hase ense ya Uganda.
I am honored to address this Congress, which unites the youth of Africa and the Arab world in a powerful platform for dialogue, solidarity, and action. This is a platform where the voices, ideas, and aspirations of the young people converge to shape the future. It is a forum for solidarity, bringing together two regions with historic cultural and trade ties going back into centuries. It is a platform for innovation, amplifying youth voices in technology, climate action, governance, and entrepreneurship. Your Excellency, this forum is a bridge for collaboration, linking Africa and the Arab world to co-create solutions for peace, prosperity, and shared growth.
Tukuska bosio mwanchumo rigereria waziri ase wizara ya mache Eric Muga niganyara ko baga kwene kyugo cyakwa bene gukwama kwendagera na okogeso kwendagera yo ase nsemo ya Galana Kulalu hasibona tebire nigere bune nsemo entangani yogo cyakone kyabune nseme yo nechikunyara ko bage kogendera kwene kya okwama kwendagira inyingira chiko bakonya bakenya kwegenderia asenchirengia na bwo remero biro ya serikali yabekire yokoriya kwaga cha chindo cha asencheme yo erinda mache achigotoka sobonge kokonya ndagira yikwama.
The food security challenge that we have as a nation, we are spending more than 500 billion a year to actually import food into the country. That is the story we are trying to demystify. And Galana Kulalu project is living proof that with proper support from the government, working together with the parliament, because here we have the chairman of the Water Blue Economy Committee, and the ministry geared towards the same agenda, this is possible. We have invested 519 million here to do an intake, to do a pumping system, to do an irrigation canal, and 2 small dams to ensure there is double redundancy.
What we just witnessed today is evidence that what we've been saying, that ASAL counties can actually help us in productivity, and which can actually help us address the issue of food security and also reduce our food import bill, which currently is standing between 400 billion to 500 billion. And for this project to be to have gotten to this level, just like the CS explained, 2 key things have actually happened. The government has focused on water security by building the water reservoir, which you have just seen, which has a capacity of 600,000 cubic, and that reservoir can actually, at optimal, it can actually even take us up to 10,000 acres. Then also, the other key thing that has actually happened is that the government has partnered with a private party, Selu in this case, who are supposed to, in the first phase, they'll be doing 6,300, but we still have a potential of going all the way to 10,000. But the second phase, when you do the dam, they'll go all the way to 20,000. We are also currently in negotiation with some other private parties who are currently doing some some trials, so that to see the potential of what they can do on the balance of 180,000 acres. Because when we build the dam will be able to give us a capacity of 200,000 acres under production.
Asokoro mwanchumo rigereria habara ikura sorongoro Western Kenya bakorogwamo nomo governor Ken Lusaka negati ya paribande nigo bagendere kuru kuboria hase ababugi chingero kuru sorongoro nabwo abasaya bagotumeka hemitandao yekerero bunenjere moyo kwerigeria kwene kyabuna nkobekerwa baremero biri gochikoba konya baraboko gendera sebari ira yogo chakwene kya serikali enene ne chikubwata ne serikali chechi county eriko bakonya baraboko egendereria
because wanajitolea kutuimbia. Na hii empowerment ambayo tunafanya is what we want to go forward. Ile wakina mama pia wanafanywa empowerment. Lazima tukumbuke every sector katika kaunti yetu ya Bungoma. Safari hii ni ya kwanza tu, lakini najua kwamba mkikwama sisi bado tuko. Tutakuja kufanya hivyo.
Asante sana kufikiria wanamuziki wetu. Hawa wanamuziki vile mnaona hivi ni watu marumbu. Kwa sababu bila hao sisi hata wanasiasa kila wakati tunatuma muziki inaimba kwanza. So mnaonanga tunatuma zile road shows zinatumbuiza zinaita watu. Na hiyo ni muziki yao ndio maana tunachezea.
Muziki uko na umuhimu mingi sana. Muziki ndiye inatuliza roho. Kama hauna pesa unasikiza muziki, unakuwa na matumaini. Ndio roho ishuke, pastor afukuza mapepo, mpaka kwanza muziki inaimba. Ndio roho inateremka. Kama namna gani?
Ile tutakusanya leo muweke katika hazina. Na msiwe na tofauti ya pesa. Shida ya pesa ni kukawanya watu. Wakati mnapata mnaanza kuwa na tamaa. Lengo ile mnataka inaanza kupotea barabarani. Nyinyi vijana mtatunza hiyo lengo ama mtatunza? Mtatunza hiyo. So muwe wanamuziki ambaye tukirudi hapa Bungoma tunafurahia.
Mancho morigaria chidagika mirongo itatu chia butokirigoro yechinsa isato chia bona butuko no twikira ho mwerio abwa maya kuru ensoko chinsa isato kurene nkomanywa homo waziri omokoro bwoborendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'i negati yabaraibande nigo baikirana ase county area ya Meru bunenchire munyoko ndro gusanga n'abananchi asarenge ase busasa arenge n'ababwatani bwabaraibande buno mwishimiwa Anthony Kibagende negati yabanda ase bagendreire kwene kyabuna enkogikeria bade meropetio ya serikali iliyo korengana nechinkwana chabe tari kubakonya abananchi bakawaida mwancho morigero roboti ono chikoronyora senchirengia ase omoroberio bwensoko bwa kire ritko bose ase omoroberio bwa amaya kurwa ensoko chinsa isano naibere naboigo chinsa 10 na isato chubutko bwa ankyo ritko ria Jumapili korende ase ritko riga rie sabato nigo tugikira omwerio ase igabwe tugusaba gendra gutwara burigerio byabwe meroberia gendra ta sembeo yensoko TV tugwakambia manaso gosanga 920 kwa Clinton Ndigi, Brian Achaka, Director Zaki Kenya, Rosemary Wanja na wego Felistas Kabendi baine kiamara gune chibichango chara senchire ringia tomera nanda sembeo nyasaye kawanje.